life careless. I used to drive, get traffic tickets, speeding, not going to court and pay my fines. I even did shoplifting. When I was here, I was a shoplifter. But
welcome back to the channel to all my loyal viewers and subscribers, and welcome to all the new viewers. Now in today's video, we have a very disturbing case to report to you guys. It's as it relates to the arrest and charge of a well-known Jamaican blogger and media personality, sometimes artist Kushien Carter, more popularly known as CMR. So stay tuned because you definitely don't want to miss this information. So first and foremost, I want to start off this video by stating, when a person has been charged for an offense or a crime, he is innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. So as it relates to this matter, these are all allegations. Thus, at the moment, CMR is not convicted of this crime that he is currently being charged for. So I want to make that abundantly clear. All the information in this video was retrieved from the Apaka police station and the county of Orange County in Florida. So this is not my opinion, these are the facts in the matter, and I have nothing personal against this man. I don't know this man, but you guys know how we do it over here at Voice of the Victims. No one is above the law, and from he's been charged, you don't know, it's my obligation to bring forward the knowledge to my subscribers and to the public at large. Let me reiterate again, CMR is not currently convicted of any offense. He's been charged. So let's get into this matter. So for all the person who is unaware who CMR is, he is a dancehall vlogger. That means he mostly review dancehall music. He's also a YouTuber and a podcast hoster. He's from Jamaica but now currently resides in Florida. He's one of them controversial dancehall blogger. And in order to survive on the internet, you have to be controversial at times. You always have hot topics and you don't know, from time to time they would go viral. So he's well known in the social media world in Jamaica. So one of my subscribers brought it to my attention that he was arrested in Florida. And you don't know how we read overview of it. From we get the information, we do checks and balances, and you don't know, I'm going to pull up the information. I've also requested the FOI from Florida. I did not receive that as yet. However, we have some information in the prelim stage now to bring to you guys. So if you look on your screen now, you can see that on November 11, 2024, Kushien Carter, CMR, was arrested by the Apaka Police Department. Apaka Police Department is located in Orange County, Florida. As you can see, the case status is pre-sentencing. That means it's pre-indictment. That's Saturday, so he wasn't indicted yesterday, Saturday, today, Sunday. So more than likely he will be arraigned tomorrow morning. As you can see, the court location is in the circuit court and the bail amount is 0-0. So more than likely he's still in police custody at the moment. His booking number is also there, so you can pass the screen and look at that if you need to go on the Orange County website for yourself to verify this information. So if you look on your screen now, you can see that this is an official document from the Orange County County Clerk Office. This is the court records. As I've stated before, he's not been arraigned yet. However, the charges and everything is also updated on the website thus far. So we're going to go through the document. As you can see, the case type is a criminal felony, location division 17, the judge is Michael Snore or Snare, citation number is a criminal felony as I've stated, and you can see all the parties involved. The parties mean the person which is the accused, who is Kushien or CMR. From now we're going to refer to him as CMR. The parties is referred to as CMR. You can see him date of birth there. And he's a defendant. At the moment, there's no attorney listed on his case. And you can see it's CMR against the state of Florida, who is a plaintiff. Even though the offense is committed against a person, under the law, it states that you commit the offense against the state. So that for sure is that even if the person don't willing to go ahead with the case, the offense the crime was not committed against the person, it was committed against the state. So you have to understand that. So in the case of say the person said them don't wish to go along with the case, the state can still continue pursue the case because the offense was not committed against the person, it was committed against the state. So let's continue. The offense state that it was November the 1st, 2024. So basically, the offense here was reported to the police November the 1st, which is like 2 days ago, and he was arrested yesterday. So the offense happened Friday, and he was arrested Saturday, and I'm going to put out this video on Sunday. So the charge is 1. Lewd and lascivious behavior, molestation, victim 12 years and older, less than 16 years old. So basically what they say, the person is between 12 and 16 years old, and the offender is over the age of 18 years old. Everybody knows the CMR is 35 based on the documents them what I present to you so far. So now that you guys hear the crime, what CMR was charged for, me can say personally, this is very disgusting and this is very tragic to the family of the victim and tragic to his family. I not say him do it, but these are the allegations. So I'm going to reserve my personal opinion until this case played out. But at the moment, the allegation don't look good for your career, CMR. Trust me. And you know, we do it over here at VOV, you know, we always go to the ends of the earth to find the best and the most credible information. So based on the charge, I wasn't really aware of the circumstances in which a person may be charged with this crime. So you don't know, we'll do some research and I'm going to present it to you guys. We don't know the actual circumstances under why CMR was charged. But in Florida, the statute, there's a guideline for a person to be charged for a certain crime. I'm going to go up on the Florida website and it tell you the guideline are what the circumstances may happen for a person being charged for this specific offense. So if you look on your screen now, it said, for a person to be charged with lewd and lascivious behavior involving a minor between 12 and 16 years old, as specified under Florida statute, that is the statute name, certain circumstances and elements must be present to meet the legal threshold for the charge. Generally, the following would apply. Age of the victim and offender. The statute specifies that the victim must be between the ages of 12 and 16 and the offender must be 18 and older. The age difference is a crucial factor as the law is designed to protect minors from contact with adults. Number 2 state that intentional lewd or lascivious contact. To qualify as lewd or lascivious behavior, the contact must be deliberate and intended for gratification. You know YouTube with them, so we can't speak about it, but if you look on your screen you will see. This often involves inappropriate touching or groping of a dash nature, directed or involve private area of the body, either under or over clothing. So basically the man say, the man maybe touch her or he maybe feel her, whether she have on clothes, yes or no. As I say, this happen with a minor and certain information are going to be redacted. It's not going to be readily available to the public because they might try to protect the victim in this case. So the third element to make this case in order for CMR to be charged with this case is the lack of consent or awareness of the victim's age. So even if there appear to be an absence of force, consent is not a defense due to the age of the victim. So basically what I say, so even if the person the victim in this case did want CMR to touch her, she can't consent to it because the person is between the ages of 12 and 16. So that third element have to be present, evidence of conduct. Prosecution require credible evidence of this behavior, which could include statement from the victim, witness account, physical evidence, or electrical communication that support allegation of lewd and lascivious contact. And we all know from the past, CMR is a man where always left digital footprint. We don't know if that's the matter in this case, but he had done it before, you know. And the fifth and final element for CMR to be charged with this crime is involvement of law enforcement. Usually such cases begin with a report by the victim, a guardian, a teacher, or another adult. Once reported, law enforcement investigate and collect statement and evidence before charging the individual. These charges can result in severe penalty due to perceived harm and vulnerability of the victim involved. If convicted, individual face incarceration. That means he might go to prison and he will be placed on a mandatory PDF list. So basically, anywhere him go live, he must report. He must go in the registry. You know, as I say, from the registry, you know what kind of registry he go in based on the offense that he has been charged for. So he can go live near no school. There's certain stipulation if you've been placed in the registry where I go damper him life and damper him career. It's a very tragic situation for the victim, not about him. The tragic situation for the victim if it's true. As I say, this is now the initial stage of the thing. I request the FOI to see what kind of information we can get. So you don't know, as soon as we get that, we're gonna bring it to you guys. You guys let me know how you feel about this matter in the comment section so we can have a discussion about this topic. And if you disagree with my stance on this matter, you don't know, leave a comment so we can talk about it in the comment section. And like I always said, remember to hug your loved ones. See you in the next video.